You say, "Hey Siri," and your phone wakes up.
Simple.
Now try to write the code for it yourself. Every second, the microphone captures 44,000 tiny measurements of the sound wave. What exact rule turns that flood of numbers into a confident yes or no? Nobody can write that rule. The exact steps lie beyond our own conscious understanding. And yet you recognize the words effortlessly, without ever knowing how you do it. It is the same with seeing. You instantly know this is a cat. But could you write the precise rules? Pointy ears, whiskers for legs, fur? Every rule breaks on the next example. A folded ear, a hairless cat, seen from behind. So we make a deal with the problem. We stop trying to write the rules at all. Instead, we build a flexible program with adjustable knobs and show it many, many examples. Then we let the data itself tune those knobs until the program gets it right. That is the whole shift. We stopped programming computers and started teaching them. Every system like this needs just a few ingredients: a pile of examples, a flexible model, a way to measure how wrong it is, and a way to improve. We will unpack each of those, one at a time, in the episodes ahead. When you stack many layers of these transformations, top to bottom, you get deep learning. Each layer learns a little more, turning raw pixels into edges, then parts, then whole shapes. No human handcrafts those features. The network discovers them straight from the data. And there are a few different ways to teach it. With labeled answers, by finding patterns with no answers, or by trial, error, and reward. This idea is not new. So, why did it explode only in the last few years? The biggest reason: we went from small data to an absolute ocean of it. Add chips fast enough to crunch it and smarter ways to train, and the old idea finally worked. Over this series, we will open that black box one piece at a time. How a network decides, how it learns from mistakes, how ChatGPT predicts the next word. By the end, none of it will feel like magic. It will simply make sense. And it all begins somewhere refreshingly simple, not with a giant, brain-like network, but with a single straight line trying to predict just one number. Next time, we build the simplest model in all of AI, a single straight line that learns to predict the price of a house. Master this one idea, and you understand the engine inside everything that follows. See you there.